Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chapter Wise GK, the only YouTube channel to provide GK by chapter. Now in this video I will discuss with you some MCQ on Indian geography which are very important for your upcoming examination. And friends, don't skip a single question because all the questions have been asked so many times in many competitive examinations. And if you are new to this channel, like the content, then please like, share with your friend, and please hit the subscribe button to support me and to get more informative video daily. So let discuss the question. Question number 1. Where was the first cotton mill in India established? Options are Surat, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore and Bombay, which is now Mumbai. The correct answer is Bombay. Yes, friends, which is now Mumbai. Remember that the first cotton mill, the Bombay Spinning and Weaving Company, was founded in 1854 in Bombay by Kawasji Nanabhai Deva to offset the unfavorable balance of trade with England. And please remember that actually the first cotton mill in India was established in 1818 at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata but was a commercial failure. So the second mill in India was established by K.N.G. Daber in 1854 is generally marked the true foundation of modern cotton industry in India. Question number 2. Which one of the following is presently the largest oil refinery of India? Options are Bhadodara, Jamnagar, Visakhapatnam and Mumbai. The correct answer is yes friends, Jamnagar. Jamnagar is the location where the biggest refinery located. The Jamnagar manufacturing division is the world's largest refining hub with a crude processing capacity of 1.24 million bpsd, that is barrel per stream day. And friends, please remember that Reliance Jamnagar Petroleum Industry is the world's largest refinery. Okay. Question number 3. India shares longest international boundary with which country? Options are Bangladesh, China, Bhutan and Nepal. The correct answer is yes friends, Bangladesh. Bangladesh and India share a 4096 kilometer long international border, the longest border that India shares with any country. So the correct answer is Bangladesh. Question number 4. Which Himalayan peak is also called as Sagar Matha? Yes, friends, it's a very important questions and have been asked so many times in many competitive examinations. Options are Nanga Parbat, Dholagiri, Kanchenjunga, and Mount Everest. It's a very easy question. Correct answer is Mount Everest. For your kind information, please note down that Sagarmatha is a Sanskrit word with combination of the word Sagar meaning sky, not to be confused with sea or ocean, and Matha which means forehead or head, and it's a modern Nepali name for Mount Everest. Yes, friend, the Nepali gave the name to our this mountain. Question number 5. Which state is the largest producer of pulses in India? It's also a very important question, friend. Options are Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Yes, friend, the top producer of pulses in India is the state of Madhya Pradesh. It contributes about 32% of overall pulses production of the nation. And friends, please remember that India is the largest producer, consumer, and importer of pulses in the world. So, friend, question may come from this point of view. Please note down all the bulletin points along with the answer because they are very informative. Question number 6. The longest river of peninsular India is. It's also a very important questions. Options are Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Godavari. The peninsular India is the part of India, actually the South India, because and the three parts of the South India is surrounded by sea. Okay, so the correct answer is obviously Godavari. Yes, friend, Godavari is the longest river of peninsular India, followed by Krishna, and it has the second largest river basin in the India after the Ganges. Yes, friend, and it's often referred as to the Vriddha, that is the old Ganga, or the Dakina, yani ki South Ganga. Yes, friends. Question number 7. Kanha National Park is located in, options are Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. It's very very important questions. Yes, friends. The correct answer is obviously Madhya Pradesh. Remember that Kanha National Park is the largest national park in Madhya Pradesh, and it's also known as Kanha Tiger Reserve. And it was created on 1st June 1955. Kanha provided, yes friend, it's a great information. Kanha provided inspiration to Rudyard Kipling for his famous novel Jungle Book. Yes, friend. Question number 8. Project Tiger program was launched in India in which of the following year? 1975, 1973, 1971, and 1994. The correct answer is 1973. Please note down that Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in 1973 by the government of India. Yes, the aim of the project was to control as well as supplement the dwindling production of the Royal Bengal tigers in the country, and Project Tiger is administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority. Yes, friend. Question number 9. Duncan Passage is located between. It's very important questions. Yes, friends, please note down all the questions because they are very important for your upcoming examination. The correct answer is obviously South and Little Andaman. Remember that Duncan Passage is straight in the Indian Ocean. It's about 48 km or about 30 meter wide, and remember that it separates Lutland Island, part of the Great Andaman, to the north and Little Andaman to the south. And west of Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal. East is the Andaman Sea. Several small islands and island lie along the passage. Question number 10. The study of population is called cartography, anthropology, biography, demography. It's very important questions. Yes, friend. The correct answer is demography. Yes, friends. Demography is the statistical study of human population, and please note down that John Grant is known as the father of demography. It's a very important point to remember. Question number 11. Where was the first bioreserve established in India? Options are Nokrek, Kanha, Periyar, and Nilgiris. The correct answer is Nilgiri. Yes, friends, we all know that established in the year 1986, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is the first biosphere reserve in India. It's an international biosphere reserve in the Western Ghat. Yes, friends, kindly please note down the location. It's in the Western Ghat. Question number 13. The only perennial river in peninsular India. It's also a very important question, friend. Options are given: Godavari, Kaveri, Bhima, and Krishna. Very interesting questions. The answer is obviously Kaveri, and Kaveri is the only perennial river in peninsular India. Yes, friends, for your kind information, I would like to share with you that perennial river are the river which have flow of water throughout the year, unlike the snow-fed river. Okay, and though not snow-fed like the rivers of North India, Kaveri receives rainwater almost all through the year, mainly due to the occurrence of reverse monsoon in Tamil Nadu. Yes, friends, please remember the point. Question number 14. The highest dam in India, Bhakra, is built on which river? Vyas River, Jhelum River, Gandhara, sorry, Ghaghara River and Sutlej River? The correct answer is obviously Sutlej River. Yes, friends, it's a very, very important question. Bhakra Dam is a concrete cavity dam across the Sutlej River, and it's near the border between Punjab and Himachal Pradesh in northern India. And yes, friends, please note down that it's the India's second tallest dam at 225-meter next to the 261-meter Tehori Dam, which is built on the Godavari. Sorry. Uh, which is built on Ganga. Okay. In terms of storage of water, it withholds the second largest reservoir in India. Yes, friends, the first being Indira Sagar Dam in Madhya Pradesh. Yes, friends, in respect of water, it's second largest reservoir in India. The first being Indira Sagar Dam in Madhya Pradesh. The last question: the sorrow of Bihar is Damodar, Koshi, Gandak, and Son. The correct answer is obviously Kosi. Yes, friends, Kosi is known as the sorrow of Bihar because it caused widespread human suffering in the past due to flooding and very frequent change in the course when it flows from Nepal to Bihar, and it affects its flood affect fertile agriculture lands, thereby disturbing the rural economy. Yes, friends. So these were. Oh, please. I have also one question. Question number 15. The place Sabarimala is situated in which of the following state? Yes, friends. The temple Sabarimala is situated in the state of Kerala, and Sabarimala is a famous pilgrim center situated and it's situated in the Periyar National Park. Okay, remember in Kerala, and about 50 millions of devotees visit this shrine, the adobe of Lord Dharmastha, during November to January every year. Yes, friends, these were all the important questions, and they are very important questions. Please kindly note down all the answers and the bulletin points. So, if you liked the content, then please like, share with your friends who are preparing for competitive examinations, and please subscribe the channel to get more informative video daily and to support me. Thank you. Tata, bye bye. Have a great day and great future. Thank you.